Hi, I want to tell you about Techko made Safe Pool S187D pool alarm. I'm going to show you what this unit's about, how it works, some troubleshooting issues that you may come across when working with the unit. Now I know this looks complicated, but really it's pretty easy. It comes with a lot of parts, so you have that ability for all different types of applications. It comes with zip ties and cases and screws and double-sided tape and so forth in case you want to mount it on anything from a window to a door, a fence, or a gate. So whatever you need, you can trust that this unit is going to work for you. Today's purpose, we're just going to use double-sided tape on this simple door. And basically, we're just going to work with the one unit, and I'm going to place it about 54 inches from the ground because that's pretty much standard for most child safety heights. So we're just going to mount this in the frame close to the door so that this magnet can go and be mounted right there on the door frame. And what you want to do is you want to get that pretty close to the door so that when it opens up, this will separate, split this magnetic field, and send a signal to the unit, therefore setting it off. So basically, it's pretty much done except for just inserting the battery. And then at that point, it's always on. That's right, it's an always on unit. And that's why that this is ETL approved under UL standards, the 2017 standards. So you can bet that this is going to pass your pool inspections and codes and things like that that you may need. So basically just plug this alarm in. Just going to leave it hanging for right now, but you can tuck this up inside and cover it with a little cover. But anyways, you'll see that the alarm, this little LED light, is stop flashing. That means that it's armed, ready to go. So if a child runs through here, opens up the door, this alarm is going to go off. Now, since I'm going to show you, there's a bypass button right here, and that's for adult pass-through. So basically, if I want to go ahead and go through, I press this first. You'll see that light's flashing. I can walk in or out and secure the door behind me within 8 to 12 seconds, and the alarm will not go off. Now you can tell that it just turns off, automatically sets itself. So if I walked in, walked out, and decided to go on my way, it's armed itself already and back on. Now if a child just walks through, it goes off, alerting an adult. Press the bypass button, it turns it off, and then in a few seconds it's just going to arm itself again. Now it also comes with an extra set of sensors here, so that in case you have a screen door and a slider, you can have that slider open, the screen door shut, and still have that protection here. And it comes with an extra bypass button so that you can have a button for the other side of the door. So I think that you'll find that this item is so versatile with so many ways of working with it that you're sure to like this unit. So I want to thank you for trusting in Techko Made, looking into our product, and I encourage you to see our other products. And again, thanks for choosing Techko Made. Bye.